Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to solve this given exponential equation x power 5 minus 100 equal to 0. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let me go ahead and move this negative 100 to the right hand side. And here I have moved this 100 on the right hand side, and now this 100 could be written as 10 power 2, as you can see in this next equation. And here in this next step, I am going to take power 5 on both sides. Let me go ahead and take power 5 on this side and take power 5 on this side as well. And now let's recall this power rule of exponents. Then this left hand side could be written as x power 5 equals to, on the right hand side, we are going to multiply out these two nested exponents. So that's going to become 10 power 10. And let's go ahead and apply this power rule once again on the left hand side. So we can apply like this one, x power 5 and then x power 5. So let's go ahead and write down x power 5 and then whole power x power 5, and the right hand side has 10 power 10. And now if we call this x power 5 as an a and x power 5 as an a as well, and on the right hand side this 10 as a b power b once again, then according to this rule, this could be written as x power 5 equals to 10. And now we are going to take power 1/5 on both sides, power 1/5 on this side and power 1/5 on this side. 5 times 1/5 is simply 1, so that is going to give us simply x equals to 10 power 1/5. So thus our solution turns out to be 10 power 1/5, or it could be written as 5th root of 10. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.